Hello. Today we're gonna do some leather. Well, this is fox leather, if you want to call it like that. So we're gonna do some keychain, leather keychains. This is a kit that I bought. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with the little tool to punch the things in. It comes with every single thing that you will need. It comes with different colors to do the keychains. It also comes with this ones. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes with this ones as well. I'm not gonna use this ones for the leather because it's not gonna look that pretty. So this is something that I'm gonna do for my mom as a Mother's Day gift. She has a purse that looks like something like this, so I'm gonna do a keychain for her, and she used this all, like those kind of keychains that we're gonna do, she used it a lot. And when I say a lot, like a lot. That way she doesn't lose her keys every time. So this is something optional. This is some little teal, I think they call it. I don't know really know how they call it. And those pom-poms as well. This is something optional if you want to put it on. I'm gonna put one of this on her keychain, but you can do either or nothing. But I'm just gonna show you how to do this with the Cricut. That is so easy to do. So let's jump into the computer so I can show you how I do the rectangles, the size that I use. So let's go to the computer. So here we are in the Cricut design space. We have different, I have different rectangles here, but if you're only gonna do just one keychain, you don't need all this. But like I said, I'm gonna cut the whole page that I have, the leather page that I have. So so I have different ones just in case, because again, my mom used this a lot. So how I did this, you just go to shapes, grab a rectangle, well, sorry, a square, and here you need to press the little lock. There you go. And the size that I use for all my keychains are just 1 inch by 11 inches, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Here it doesn't matter what color you pick. Remember, you're not gonna print, you're just gonna cut it, so it doesn't really matter. For how I size my, like how many I needed it, like I said, I only had a page that was 8 by 12, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and that's it. So I just, put as many rectangles I could. That way I know how many I could fit. Something else that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab them all, and I'm gonna select attached. That way the machine will know that I want this exact space, because remember, my space is limited and I don't want to waste that leather. So that's why I want the machine knows that it's going to be attached, and it's going to cut that that space if it makes sense. So let's press make it. As you see, it left it how I had it. I'm gonna press continue, and here that's how you pick. You're gonna pick your material. I'm gonna put here leather. So here, as you see, you have different ones, and it's very important to know which leather you have. Like Cricut, they sell actually real leather that you can buy in their website and Amazon as well. So and other people sells leather. The point of this is to know what you have. That way you can pick one, like what setting it's best for your material. For example, this is the one that I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you the difference. So look, let's pick this one, and you see it changes to a knife. You will have to have that tool, but the material that I have, I don't need a knife, although I have that tool, but I would not need it. Let's put leather again. And this is the one that I'm gonna use. And as you see, it changed the tool for the fine point blade. So again, it's very important to know what material you have, that way you cut it with the right setting. So let's jump into the machine and I will show you guys what we're gonna do. And here it is. I just put some tape around to prevent the leather to come up. I'm using a strong grip, and anyways, I have a feeling that it's gonna, peel up as soon as it's gonna start cutting. I'm not really worried about it. I can just start pulling the ones that the machine cuts already. But, and again, I just need one. I'm cutting all so I don't waste the whole leather, and I'm not thinking about doing anything else with this leather, so I'm just gonna cut it also for my mom, but I'm just gonna do one right now. So again, here it is. So let's cut. So here's all my leather already cut. When you have a design, like a pattern on the leather, it's a little bit harder because, you may want to pick or move your leather depending on where you want to cut it. Of course, I cut the whole leather. I really did not care. This is, a design that is going to be just for my mom. I'm not selling this. But if you are going to sell something with patterns, keep that in mind, that you may want to, cut one and switch or move your leather. That way, the machine will cut it in where you want it. So this is amazing. I'm just gonna now pick one and do the keychain for my mom. As you can see, this is so easy. Let's do it. So here is how it came out. Super pretty. I love it, love it, love it. If you have some of the these leathers are like, they're cheaper, they look horrible inside. Something that you can do to fix that I had done it before, is with iron on. Just cut the same size of your leather, right, the iron on, and put it inside. Something else that you can personalize this kind of keychains are putting the name of the person, right? You can do that with iron on as well. But if you're gonna do that, make sure that just put the name, right, and cover up with some kind of paper, and just put it for like 3 seconds. Literally 3 seconds are more than enough to put an iron on in this kind of leather, that they're, not real leather. So just keep that in mind. But this is so simple that you can give to your mom or as a gift for someone. Super easy to do. So I invite you to do it at home. And if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.